guys, it's Stella Strawberry, and today we are gonna make a microwave cookie. Now we just need a bowl, and it's right here. Let's unwrap 1 tablespoon of butter and put it in the bowl. Now let's microwave it for... I forgot how many... Now let's microwave it for 30 seconds. Now let's add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now we got the sugar open, so now we're gonna add in the tablespoon. Now let's add in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now let's mix it in. Now we need 1 egg yolk, and my sister, the camera person, is gonna help me crack it. Now we're gonna mix it. Now we have to add 2 tablespoons of flour. Now let's mix it. Now let's add chocolate chips. Now let's microwave it for 1 minute. Oh, nice. Because the bowl is really hot, and I got scolded last time because I didn't wear mitts. So I just wanted to warn you so you won't get hurt. Now let's try it, but first you always have to blow your food before, but when it's frozen you don't. It's really good. I give it a 10 out of 10. I hope you guys make it for yourself, but if I get 20 likes, I'm gonna make a Hulk Smash Smoothie. Bye guys.